A'udzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, assalamu alaikum to all of you. Today my topic is partition of Bengal, chapter number 9. The name of the chapter is the making of the national movement 1870 to 1947, class 8th, subject history. Dear students, today we will discuss partition of Bengal. जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों, in 1905 1905 AD 1905 AD Bengal was divided by Lord Curzon. लॉर्ड कर्जन, इसका फुल नेम जो है वो है जॉर्ज नाथानिल कर्जन फर्स्ट, मार्कस कर्जन कैडलिस्टन, इसका फुल नेम जो है वो है जॉर्ज नैथानियल कर्जन फर्स्ट मार्कस कर्जन कैडलिस्टन। तो प्यारे बच्चों, इन 1905 AD 1905 में लॉर्ड कर्जन जॉर्ज नैथानियल कर्जन फर्स्ट मार्कस कर्जन कैडलिस्टन, इसका फुल नेम है। तो प्यारे बच्चों, पार्टीशन ऑफ बंगाल, डिवीजन ऑफ बंगाल carried out by the British Viceroy of India। जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों, partition of Bengal, division of Bengal carried out by the British Viceroy in India, Lord Curzon. It led to the encouragement to extremism in Congress under the leadership of Lal Bal Pal। जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों, लाल बाल पाल, लाल मीन्स लाला लाजपत, उसके बाद लाल मीन्स लाला लाजपत, बाल गंगाधर तिलक, और उसके बाद पाल बिपिन चंद्र पाल, Lal Bal Pal. They wanted that their demand should be met by putting more pressure on government. जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों, partition of Bengal was ordered by Lord Curzon in 1905 AD. His actual motive behind this partition was to weaken national movement. Partition of Bengal was ordered by Lord Curzon in 1905 AD. His actual motive behind this partition was to weaken national movement by dividing Hindus and Muslims. Hindus and Muslims, इनको डिवाइड करना। Muslims people got angry with partition of Bengal and they did strikes. They did strikes. Strikes took out provisions at different places of the country. At different places of the country, Swadeshi movement was also started in opposition to partition of Bengal. Was also started in opposition to partition of Bengal. उसके बाद प्यारे बच्चों, what was its impact on Indian freedom movement? What was its impact on Indian freedom movement? जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों, impact, this partition had a great impact on Indian freedom movement. Indian freedom movement. Indian freedom movement. उसके बाद प्यारे बच्चों, national consciousness arose. National consciousness rose among the people due to partition of Bengal. National consciousness rose among the people due to partition of Bengal. उसके बाद प्यारे बच्चों, Congress was divided into two powerful parts. Congress was divided into two powerful parts, that is moderates and extremists due to partition of Bengal. उसके बाद प्यारे बच्चों, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट जो है वो है नेशनल मूवमेंट इज स्प्रेड ड्यू टू पार्टीशन ऑफ बंगाल. नेशनल मूवमेंट स्प्रेड ड्यू टू पार्टीशन ऑफ बंगाल. इसके बाद प्यारे बच्चों, जैसा कि partition of Bengal, in short, Bengal was partitioned by Lord Curzon in 1905 AD because he said that partition was necessary. Partition was necessary for the administrative purposes. किसके लिए? एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव पर्पसेस के लिए. Bengal was partitioned by Lord Curzon in 1905 AD because he said that partition was necessary for the administrative purposes, but this actual objective was to weaken the national movement, by dividing Indians. यानी हिंदुस्तान को डिवाइड करना, बाय डिवाइडिंग हिंदूज एंड मुस्लिम्स, हिंदूज एंड मुस्लिम्स। तो प्यारे बच्चों, आज के लिए इतना ही, इससे आगे कल पढ़ेंगे। अल्लाह हाफिज़।